Today I want to review with you Highlander Storm 40-liter backpack. Full review. It's 52 times 33 times 21.5 centimeters. Good enough for 40 liters of packing space. Right, it's kind of a hard position here. We got these nice compression straps on the side, and they come with the Velcro, you see, so you can keep it nice and tight, close together. You don't have all these loose bands flapping everywhere. So I kind of like that. I mean, it's pretty easy, of course, but yeah, it is nice. Then next to that, we have these easy grip zippers for our full clamshell opening. They open all the way down. Yeah, it's a mess in there, but so full clamshell opening. And then you have some really nice big side pouches here. Two of them, big enough for a big water bottle or a tripod, or maybe this fisherman seat that I like to carry with me. So what else do we have? We have this Tricot lined, or Tricot, I don't know how to pronounce that, but this soft, nice stuff lining for a sunglass case, hard case. So I like sunglass, so it's good to have that for me. Then the next part, I want to talk about is this back here. You have the EVA padding or something. How is that called? And yeah, for some nice ventilation on your back, of course. And this hip belt here, I don't know if that's in the frame. This is actually removable, so you can unlock it here and take the whole hip belt off if you like that. There's also a chest strap, so we have this adjustable chest straps, and that brings me to, I think, the holes here for a camel bag or radio antenna, you name it, whatever you want to fit in there. It's 1000D nylon PU coated YKK zippers. Yeah, camel bag, I got that one. Yeah, you got some loops here, for example. You see this on every bag, but I never, so I give you my tip what I do with it, yeah, for years now, is I put these like key cords through it. They always come with this nice little hook, so it just it didn't fit this one, so I put a copper ring around it, and you just hook it up to there. If you're bored with them, take them off. But this loop, you can rest your arms in there when you're walking for a longer distance. Alright, so far that's the outside. Oh wait, the MOLLE. How do I always forget that? So we have some MOLLE here. Nice good MOLLE webbing. And the Tricot sunglass case. It also comes with Velcro, so you can attach an ID patch or whatever to it. This is also Velcro MOLLE, so you can also attach stuff here. I'll show you that later, because that kind of has to do with the inside of the bag, I like to think. So I'm gonna put it down and show you the inside of the bag. Right, welcome back. The inside of this bag. Don't know why I say welcome back. There's only a few milliseconds in between this. So full clamshell opening, and in there, look like this. Is of course my mess. Fine. Poncho, water bottle, jacket, nothing too important. So I have a little confession to make. I already adjusted this bag, so I did take with me what it came with. So there was this laptop padding here for a 17-inch laptop. I don't know if they still make those, but a 17-inch laptop compartment was attached here, and this huge Velcro patch with MOLLE strips on it. I used one, so yeah, there's 5 on here normally. I didn't want to throw this away. It will of course be useful at some point. Even this, I'll make a pouch of it, but let's focus on the bag. The padding was a little bit too thick for me. I removed all this, and you can see that gave me a lot of extra room packing my bag. So the inside, here's the Velcro attachment for your camel bag, and bring us to this side here. You have two big pouches here for, I don't know, a document, your phone maybe, your wallet or whatever. YKK Dayglow zippers. I don't know what that is really. Do you need glowing things in the day? Dayglow, do they charge in the day so you can see them at night? I don't really know what it means, but we usually call that glow in the dark, right? Alright, let's close this again. With our easy grip zippers. Because there's this little compartment here at the front. Also clamshell opening. And in there we find more space to organize, of course. Oh shit, where did I leave the frame really? Here I think. So more space to organize in here. Let's take this stuff out of here. So in here is just two pouches, and and this detachable organizer unit, which is really handy, of course. I keep here my flashlight for blowing the campfire, a little knife and a little sharpening stone. And back here I have, oh wow, yeah, there's a dry bag with 2. Just to show you that there's a lot of space in this bag. Yeah, 2 solar chargers. I don't know why I keep the weight in this bag here, because I definitely don't need those today. But yeah, what I wanted to show was this. So you have it on Velcro, of course. And Velcro is also on the front. So if I didn't have my MOLLE here, I could put this on the front. Oh, make a mess of it. It's kind of messy, I think, but I have to close the zipper in order to show you. So yeah, then I could have attached this to the front here, and I could have grabbed all my stuff that I quickly need. So that's about the review for the inside of that bag. I think this detachable compartment is definitely worth noting. And there's an extra hook in here. Put this thing back here. Oh, something over there. There, yeah. Highlander Storm 40 liter pack. Comes in around 100 euros. So it is definitely a good buy, I would say. I only used it once, so I can't really tell you. The straps, they seem kind of easy to go, you know, but that might be just because it's still new. So I don't want to complain about that yet. So there you have it, guys. Let's bring that with me too. My DC4. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this review. It might not have been for you, you know, like a review. I also did an unboxing video. I'm just trying to do stuff and see what people like. So maybe leave a comment and tell me what you want to see next time. Do you want to see me go camping with only this beefy shelter, for example? I'm just saying something crazy, but I would never do that. Yeah, let me know, and thanks for watching.